Today I'm gonna share with you my saging practice when I have guests, friends coming over to my workshops. I sage not only the space but also every single one of them. I will share with you my chanting. Well, first you buy the sage, you turn it on, and you inhale a little bit of it so you can feel the cleanse internally and externally. Next, when the guests arrive, you're going to start saging them from top to bottom, left to right. And as you go, you could use my chanting. And this is how it goes. Into the smoke, I release all energy that no longer serve you, all negativity that surrounds you, and all fears that limit you. May the smoke cleanse your eyes so you can see beauty in all things, your heart so you can hear His message clearly, your lips so you can speak truth and justice, your hands so you can create beautiful things. Finally, your feet so they can take you where you most need to be. So be it. Welcome. You hug them, and that's it. Use it as much as you want to practice. And if you have any questions, please reach out.